So you've just finished knitting your headband, and it's time to sew the two ends together in the form of a twist to finish it off. So you're going to start by folding the headband in half with the side you just bound off on the top. Thread your tapestry needle with the tail that you just made. And then thread that tail through the center of the other end of the headband, the end that was the beginning, your cast down edge. So you want to sew your needle right underneath the cast on stitches, right in the middle, and pull that all the way through. So from here we're going to make a little yarn sandwich. So take the side that you ended with and fold the side that's hanging off to the back, like that. And then your cast on edge side, we're gonna take that side that's hanging off and fold that to the front. So we now have a stack of 4. We have 4 layers of the headband that we're going to have to sew together. So we're going to just start by going front to back. You want to thread the needle close to the top of all these layers, and make sure you get through each one of the layers each time you sew across. We're just going to do that all the way across to the other side. So once you get to the end, both of these tails are just going to be threaded in through your stitches, and then flip that headband inside out after you do that, and you have your beautiful twist and your headband is complete.